you want to make sure that your multimeter is on continuity mode, and you can find it on your multimeter. Sometimes it has its own little symbol. Mine, you have to press a mode until you get to it, but I like to use the speaker because you'll be able to hear it when the circuit is closed, like this. The wire going to the back of the DC jack should be the hotline. So to test the hotline, I'm calling it hotline instead of the 19 volt plus, because apparently this board accepts 19 volt and 12 volt. You touch the end of the wire to the pin inside the jack. Now we also want to make sure that this is not grounding out. So we're going to touch the casing of the jack, and we don't hear a beep, which is what we want. So this wire is good. Next we take the 19 volt / 12 volt minus wire, touch the end of it, and then we touch the casing and we should hear a beep. And that's what we want. And of course we don't want it to make a beep when we touch the hot, but it's not going to since we already tested that. So this solder job is good. We also want to test that it's going to hold the board up, because if it breaks off easily, I'm tugging on it pretty good. See that one? This is not a good solder. I would want to do that again. But this one is pretty good.